guys, I got a new camera, so if I look discombobulated at all, it's simply because I'm trying to figure this out. My Canon G7X, literally the screen broke off. I sent it into Canon to get it repaired, and they quoted me at almost $500. So I went and bought this Sony ZV-1, and this is my first time filming with it. But I have a flight to catch literally in like 4 hours. My flight tonight to LA is at 9:49. It's currently 5:56 and I have not packed a thing. What's new? And I need to leave my house probably around 7:30, so I have an hour and 30 minutes to pack. I don't know what it's been lately, but I have been having a mental block. Like, I've not been stressing about things that I should be like on top of, and I don't know why I've been so lax. But I need to pack for sure. I put my stuff in the washer probably like 2 hours ago, so it should be done in the dryer soon. So I need to literally pull out my suitcases, throw stuff in a bag. It's a really short trip. We're gonna be there for 2 days because I'm finally apartment hunting. I'm so excited, but I'm also so anxiety driven, so stressed all at the same time. So I need to throw some stuff in a bag, nothing like crazy. I'm not doing too much content there. I'm always filming, but I'm not like crazy about what I'm wearing there because I'm literally just going to be viewing apartments. I need to throw stuff in a carry-on. I recently picked up this beis weekender. I got the mini weekender because I didn't want the giant one, and I've been using this for like my past 4 trips, and it's been a literal gem. You can put shoes at the bottom of it. It opens up like a diaper bag. Beis is 10 out of 10. I'm in the market for new luggage, so beis will definitely be what I pick up next, but I need to get my life together and prepare to go. I kind of have an idea. I have like my essentials and stuff that I literally wear every day that I'm gonna take to LA, but my room is a mess as well. I'm gonna start by probably straightening up my room, grabbing my stuff out the dryer, and throwing stuff in a bag as quickly as possible. This week, like I mentioned, I've been like extremely, I don't know, I feel like I've been having a mental block, and it's so weird because this never happens to me. Like, it's just so weird. Like, I haven't been like as productive as usual with like filming, with like little things I need to do, like literally changing my resume completely from psychology to content creation, just like everything in general. I've just been like so lax and like so like unproductive with things. So when it came to packing today, I was like, of course I'm gonna wait to the last minute and be stressed out when it's time for me to go. And of course I'm gonna film, which is gonna slow me down, but like I wanted to film. If I didn't film, I wouldn't have felt productive at all today. But that's been my life lately. It's been crazy. Hopefully going out to LA will make me a little more inspired to come back and create for the little bit of time that I do have here before I move, which I'm excited about. But also, I've had this trip planned for literally months. Like, this trip was planned this time last month, and tell me why I waited till today and yesterday to plan out the apartments and like schedule my tours and stuff. Granted, stuff gets gone really quickly here, well, quickly out in LA, so like anything that I would have scheduled out a month ago would have probably been gone by now. But it's the fact that I waited until the exact last minute to start scheduling things. So that's just life. But I'm going to cut on some YouTube because I haven't watched YouTube all week, and get this folded and try and figure out some outfits from this.
I'm giving away a $10,000 New York City.
Okay, so I basically folded out everything and I have everything that I'm gonna take. My main essentials have literally been parachute pants and tank tops. So I'm bringing 3 pair, even though I'm gonna be there for 2 days. And then just basic tank tops. Like I have a Skims tank, a top from Source Unknown, and then a top from Cortez. So I'm gonna pack these for the days that I'm gonna be there. My vibe is really just like a comfy, casual, cute type vibe, like nothing too much at all, with sneakers and some cute purses. And then I have nighttime clothes, just like 2 skim sets, and then I'm even gonna wear parachute pants on the plane. I'm gonna take my carry-on suitcase just because I'm afraid that my weekender might be too small to fit my shoes and stuff. I'm gonna pack it all in here, and then for my weekender I'll just put like my laptop and camera and everything else. But I'm basically ready. I just have to put everything in a suitcase, pack my makeup, pack my jewelry, and that's basically it. I'm actually thankful that this is like a shorter trip because I would really be stressing out right now if I had to pick out outfit for like 5 to 6 days. But I'm really ready for fall right now because it's been so hard for me to make outfits and like dress things up and like wear things a certain way in the summertime because I'm so used to layering and being able to wear pants all the time. And in LA it's like 80 degrees right now, so I'll be wearing like parachute pants and tank tops and hoping I don't burn up. I know it gets kind of cold at nighttime, so I hope that everything that I picked out is okay. But I'm about to quickly put everything in here and hopefully I don't forget anything. Okay, so I put all of my clothes in here, like clothes and underwear and then stuff at night. And then I added an extra outfit in case like we go out to dinner or something. So just some cute pants and then a cute top. And then these are my sneakers. I'm gonna take my New Balances, my Yeezys, and then some like chunky sandals for dinner. And that's basically it. I'm just gonna put some makeup and jewelry in here, and then also just my toiletries bag, and that's it for this suitcase. Okay, I'm fully packed and I'm like working on like the last steps of my carry-on. This is the beis mini weekender that I was telling you guys about, and I want to talk about it a little bit because it's my favorite bag. I love how it has like these wires at the top because it opens really nicely, like wide open for like a diaper bag, and you can like literally stick anything you need in here. I already put my laptop in and like all the cords I need for like editing and like for my charger. I put my AirPods in here, and I just want to show you guys some of the other things I'm going to put in here. But it has a lot of storage on the inside. It has like a little compartment for your laptop, a pocket with a zipper, 2 little pockets to like put cords and stuff in. And my favorite part is this here at the bottom. So it has this like rubberized thing here at the bottom, and it literally fits a pair of shoes. I'm sure if you had smaller feet, I literally wear a size 11, so like 1 pair of shoes is all that's gonna fit down there for me. But you can fit a pair of shoes at the bottom, and I could really just take this one thing for the entire weekend, but it does get kind of heavy. Thankfully it comes like you can wear it as a tote bag over your shoulder, or you can also attach a strap which is detachable. I haven't used that yet. This is a little strap, so like I'm sure it'll be a lot less heavier if I use this, but I'd rather just like carry it on with my carry-on. And it has this little thing on the side where it just slides on the side of your bag, so like I'll just like slide it across the little handle. It'll be easy to carry with my carry-on bag. But I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna carry some masks because I'm still wearing my mask, of course. They're not like required in the North Carolina airports at least, but I love these little Evolve Together masks. They come in different colors. I have it in army green, gray, navy blue, black, and white, I think. Today I think I'm gonna wear white because they're like really cute. My mini tripod, this is perfect. I'll leave it down below. It's in my Amazon storefront. I'm filming one right now. I have one dedicated for my camera as well as for my phone. So it's just really compact. You can pull it out and use it as a selfie stick. And this is normally what I use when I like take pictures and stuff. So I have this that I'm gonna put in there. It's just like really small and compact, and it's perfect for traveling. Atomic Habits. I swear I've taken this on my last 4 trips and I have not opened it yet. Like, it's just the aesthetic, I guess. I want to get into reading one day, and when I do start reading, this will be the first book that I read. But if I'm being completely honest, I have not opened this book yet. I take it with me every time though, with the intention of reading. So one of these days on a flight, I'm going to open up this book and finally start to read it. Will it be today or will I sleep? I don't know, but we will see. And then I have this cute little case for my camera. It fits like my camera, the tripod, any like cords or like the mic from this camera I'll put here, and then over here I'll put like batteries or like anything extra that I have. This is perfect. I'll also link this down below. It's on my storefront. This is my tripod for my camera, which, like I said, it fits perfectly right here. So this is like the cutest little case if you travel with your camera all the time. I always have like lip gloss. So this is the Dior lip oil Summer Fridays Butter Balm, the best. I definitely recommend this if you guys have not tried out Summer Fridays. Try out their lip balms. I take these everywhere I go. I have a different color in my makeup bag as well, but this is in vanilla, beige, and just regular vanilla. So both of these, and then the lip oil in shade Rosewood. Very good products. This little thing is what I film all of my makeup videos on. You can like stick it on a mirror and then stick your phone on the other side. So it's just really easy to film. And I usually use my back camera. So it's just like really easy to see yourself in the mirror while you're filming. Love these Highline Wellness little CBD gummies. It just helps with like flight anxiety or anything that you may have. It just like gives you this calming feeling. So I literally eat these every time I travel. They taste like Lifesaver gummies. They're so good. So I just take like 2 of these every time, or like whenever. You don't have to like just use them for flying. They're literally called Anytime gummies. And then I normally pack my purse, and here I just have hand sanitizer. So I have Touchland, and I also have a gel sanitizer, which I'm gonna grab from downstairs. Lotion, always have lotion because my hands get so dry when I wash them all the time. Chapstick, and then lots of lip gloss. I'm a lip gloss girl through and through. My smaller AirPods in case my big ones get too like bulky. And then I have my wallet with like my ID and money and cards and stuff. And my eyelash spoolie. I travel with this everywhere, especially if you have like lash extensions. These are perfect to carry around with you everywhere. So yeah, that's everything. I'm about to pack this in my base weekender, take a quick shower, and put on my little airport fit. I'm going for like super comfy, so I'm gonna wear some parachute pants, of course, with a basic tank top and probably some sweatshirt or something, and my Crocs. So I'll talk to y'all once I take a shower and get ready to head out. This is the airport fit. I'm wearing my Salehi Bembury Crocs, and then I'm gonna bring this like Gulf Wing sweater because I feel like I'm gonna get cold on the plane, and we have like an overnight flight basically. Like we get to LA at 12 p.m. so it's gonna be like 3 a.m. here. So I'm definitely gonna sleep on the plane, so I just went for something like cute and comfy. But I will see you guys when I get to LA because I'm going to be doing like a vlog / apartment hunting type video, so stay tuned.